Represented by Sonia Sampson, broker at Royal LePage Connect Realty, welcome to 821 Wingarden Crescent, a stunning custom-built home situated within the upscale and highly sought-after Dunbarton neighbourhood of Pickering. Split staircases off the onyx-tiled foyer lead to professionally finished living spaces, with the main and upper levels showcasing hand-scraped hardwood flooring, upgraded ceiling light fixtures and pot lighting, upgraded baseboards and trims, as well as casement windows and custom window treatments. The main level also features an open theme layout with 9-foot ceilings, as well as beautiful principal rooms and lovely personal spaces such as a cozy sitting area that is nestled just outside the double French door entry into the formal living room. Filled with soft, diffuse light through an oversized arched window, the living room also has a double French door entry into the gorgeous formal dining room. Featuring 2 display and storage cabinets, direct access into the kitchen, as well as an oversized entry off the reception hall. Accentuating the aura of this elegant entertaining space is an octagonal-shaped coffered ceiling and the subtle texture of its papered walls. Another French door entry opens to a main level library, the French doors providing semi-privacy from a spectacular custom gourmet kitchen that is every home chef and entertainer's delight. This impressive meal prep and gathering space showcases a wall of south-facing windows overlooking the backyard, a huge center island with seating, stone-tiled backsplashes, granite counters, a stainless steel extra-wide undermount sink with upgraded faucet, and upgraded cabinetry with upper moldings, valance lighting, and extensive storage including a pantry. And completing this exceptional work area are high-end appliances. A stainless steel decor gas cooktop with an upgraded oven hood and fan, a KitchenAid wine fridge and side-by-side fridge freezer, a KitchenAid built-in wall oven and convection oven, as well as 2 Bosch dishwashers that are paneled to seamlessly blend with the cabinetry. The kitchen is open to the incredibly spacious and light-washed south-facing great room, where a wall-to-wall custom built-in entertainment unit surrounds a gas fireplace finished with a stone accent border, and a garden door provides walkout access to the backyard summertime oasis. The main level additionally features a beautifully appointed powder room showcasing onyx-tiled flooring and a furniture-style vanity finished with a stone counter, as well as a double coat closet just outside this washroom's door. And the oak staircases to all levels are finished with a deep, rich stain and have the timeless contrast of painted white spindles. A second-story window floods natural light throughout the upper-level hallway, with this level featuring 4 very spacious bedrooms all updated with quality laminate flooring, 3 well-appointed washrooms and a laundry room, as well as a huge double linen closet. The main washroom is also a semi-ensuite for the 4th bedroom, which features 2 windows with northeasterly exposures and a spacious double closet. While the 4-piece main washroom itself showcases upgraded tiles, a vanity with stone counter and upgraded basin, as well as sliding glass shower doors with the bath area. The 2nd and 3rd bedrooms also have spacious double closets. and these two bedrooms share a 4-piece Jack and Jill washroom finished with upgraded tiles, a shower area with glass door, and a vanity with stone counter and 2 elegant drop-in basins. The laundry room has not been overlooked, with this convenient utility space featuring a front-load washer and dryer, upgraded floor tiles, a mosaic backsplash, and cabinetry storage. A sun-washed retreat, the master suite is brightened by 2 crystal light fixtures as well as natural light through 2 south-facing windows that also provide backyard views. And bringing added coziness to the bedroom is a fireplace surrounded by a stacked stone facade and a custom media unit. The spacious walk-in closet is complete with custom organizers, and the luxurious 5-piece ensuite washroom showcases upgraded floor tiles, the privacy of a water closet, a soaker tub with a marble ledge, mosaic accent border, and a handheld shower, a separate shower area with glass door, as well as a custom vanity with marble counters, undermount basins, mosaic tiled accents, a built-in makeup vanity, and with a coordinating toiletry cabinet next to the bath area. Boasting over 5,000 square feet of luxury throughout, and with a fantastic layout for entertaining, this exceptional home is also designed with growing families in mind, and is nestled in a very family-oriented community that is within the catchment area of highly rated Gandat-Settiagan and Frenchman's Bay Public, St. Elizabeth Seton and St. Monica Catholic Elementary, Dunbarton High, and St. Mary Catholic Secondary Schools, is close to the Dunbarton Creek Ravine and other neighbourhood green spaces, as well as being minutes to the Amberley Shopping Plaza for everyday essentials. With a ceiling height of 8.5 feet, the professionally finished above-ground lower level is very bright and quite spacious, and showcases pot lighting and upgraded light fixtures, oversized basement windows, as well as upgraded laminate and tiled flooring. And with a separate exterior walk-up entrance, also has potential for conversion into an in-law suite. Storage is in no short supply, with storage areas off the recreation area, under the staircase, as well as with a huge wall-to-wall closet with modern sliding doors along a tiled hallway. And also off this hallway is access to an oversized double-car garage and the separate entrance. The massive recreation area provides more than abundant living and entertaining space, and features a washroom with upgraded tiles, a contemporary vanity, and a glass shower with rainfall and handheld shower heads, a family media room with a stacked stone accent wall, built-in cabinetry, and a TV wall mount, as well as a games area with a wet bar, complete with a stone counter, stainless steel sink, and a bar fridge. While other important features of this home include rough-ins for a central vacuum system and an alarm system, a humidifier, a high-efficiency furnace, a Nest thermostat, and a new Google Nest front door security camera. Set on a premium pie-shaped lot approximately 40 by 140 feet in size, this home also showcases a stunning and professionally landscaped backyard oasis with a southern exposure, and which is complete with a Trex composite deck, a heated in-ground saltwater pool with equipment, including a creepy crawly pool vacuum, as well as a new filter pump and heater circuit board, and 2 garden lampposts for nighttime illumination. Pickering is a lively and connected community where you'll find the perfect balance between life, work, and play. The city is embedded in natural beauty and possesses small-town charm. Enjoy a leisurely stroll along the waterfront trail, take in a sunset concert at Millennium Square, relax with a favorite pastime, have the kids play and splash about, or stop at one of the many shops and eateries. Its lakefront backyard, miles of pristine hiking trails, and countless neighborhood parks is pleasantly balanced by an emerging modern downtown surrounded by a wealth of amenities. Pickering boasts easy access to GO Transit, the 401 and the 407, making it the perfect location for an easy commute to downtown Toronto, and has a diverse selection of shopping, dining, and cultural activities. With all of the amenities that a big city has to offer, and home to some of the most distinct hamlets in Durham region, Pickering is your place to play. For a private viewing of this fine home, or for further information about Pickering and its wonderful neighborhoods, contact Sonia Sampson at 905-427-6522 or email realestate@soniasampson.com.